welcome back to my channel. I'm Unati, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my after school routine. So it is actually currently 6:05. So obviously not all my night routines look the same, but this is essentially like a blueprint of what it kind of looks like on a daily. Usually when I get home, the first thing I do is eat, and I've eaten, but right now it wouldn't be an Unati video without a beverage, so I don't think I'm gonna make coffee. I actually think I'm gonna make a smoothie. Let's go downstairs and make a smoothie because, girl, I'm hungry. And I'm now in my room and I've taken some thumbnail photos. So now I feel like this is like my downtime where I chill a little bit before I actually have to log in. I got a new book. This book is called Excuse Me While I Ugly Cry. As I read a sample of this book, and then I've wanted it for so long, but I've just never gotten to actually getting it, and I got it like a few days ago. I haven't opened it because I'm just like, it's so precious. Let's read my book and drink my smoothie. Another thing that I've recently implemented into my evening routine is cycling from home. Thank you to Yasol for sponsoring today's video. They actually sent me over a bike, and I can literally say this is my new favorite way to work out, and everyone else in my family is obsessed. Not only was this bike so easy to put together, but it has so many good features. It is adjustable in height, and you can also move it forward or backwards depending on what your preference is, as well as the resistance on the bike. Yasol also has an app where they offer classes. You can have coaches depending on your fitness goals, and you can reach those through the bike. But my main favorite thing is that I can connect the bike to my phone and watch whatever I want whilst cycling. I always watch YouTube, Netflix, or listen to music whilst on the bike. I've literally cycled like 20k on that bike without even realizing. I just love the fact that it is so convenient, and I can literally just do an hour on the bike, and that's me having gotten my workout in for the day. And you guys know that I'm in my gym girl era, so yeah. And you guys know I always have a discount code for you guys, so make sure to use code UNATI for $100 off your order at TSL. So if you guys are interested in getting this bike and twinning with me, make sure you check out the link in my description box below. Once again, thank you to TSL for sponsoring today's video, and let's get back into it. I decided that now I'm actually going to go ahead and do my schoolwork. We're going to do my economics work, and then I have a test tomorrow, so we are going to make some flashcards, and yeah. So I have just finished my content planning, and I think now I'm gonna go take a shower. Actually, usually when I get home I will immediately wash any like makeup that I have on, but for the sake of the video I didn't do that because I wanted to look cute. But we're gonna take my makeup off, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and shower you guys my shower routine and all the products that I use and stuff like that. Then I'm gonna come after and do my skincare. Guys, welcome to my vanity. So now I'm gonna do my skincare out of the shower, so my skin looks very dry at the moment. And my skincare routine honestly has been so simple. The first thing that I go in with is this discoloration correcting serum by Good Molecules. Then the next thing that I go in with is my E45 lotion. Aquaphor, I use this all the time. I've always said this, but I love going to bed looking like a glazed donut. Lastly, I will go in with my Summer Fridays lip balm. It works even if you're doing a lip combo, but it just works for everything and I love it so much. But the thing is, it's so expensive, so I have to be very cautious with how much I use it, you know. I don't use this every single day, but sometimes I'll go in with my lash serum and I will just use it before bed. I just came back from brushing my teeth and now I'm going to read my bookie.